See ya! The only thing is the strap is a bit wonky. Say, genuinely, like, I can't f***ing destroy the piece of shit. It's time for the f***ing last test. And have you, you We're now bringing the big guns. Get the f***. Oh, there's a piece of shit there. Test number 6. We're going to f***ing microwave the f*** out of it. It's on fire! On the control, like, no bother. It is now absolutely properly on fire, mate. I think we've beaten the god. 35 minutes. Yeah.
Is there warranty on the microwave?
3 years. We can bring it back, like. Oh! Fire! Hey, gun gloves! Holy fuck. Where's the water?